Welcome to Technology Bees. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's close to everyone's heart, turning money online. If you're looking for free, real ways to make money on the internet, this video is just for you. Let's get started. First on our list is Swagbucks. Here, you can earn points by completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. Once you accumulate enough points, you can redeem them for PayPal Cash or gift cards. It's free and easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. Pro tip: focus on surveys and video watching. They're quick and pay well for the time spent. Upwork is another freelancing platform where you can find clients for tasks like web development, virtual assistants, or data entry. While it may take time to land your first gig, the earning potential here is huge. Pro tip: craft a professional profile and apply for small, quick projects to gain trust and reviews. For those who prefer microtasks, Amazon Mturk is a great option. Here, you can earn by doing small jobs like data entry or tagging images. The tasks are simple and don't require advanced skills. Pro tip: look for higher-paying tasks and avoid spending too much time on low-reward ones. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more awesome content just like this, make sure to subscribe.